What does sleep apnea look like on Fitbit? If you're curious about how sleep apnea might show up on your Fitbit, you're not alone. Many people use their Fitbits to track more than just their steps and workouts, and sleep quality is a crucial aspect of overall health. Sleep apnea is a condition where your breathing is interrupted during sleep, and this can be detected through various metrics that Fitbit tracks. Here's what you need to look for. First, let's talk about heart rate and oxygen saturation. Fitbit devices, especially the newer models like the Fitbit Versa 3 and Fitbit Sense, can measure your heart rate and oxygen levels throughout the night. If your heart rate is higher than normal during sleep, or if your oxygen levels dip below normal for extended periods, these could be signs of sleep apnea. Another key indicator is your sleep stages graph. Fitbit tracks the different stages of sleep, including light, deep, and REM sleep. If you see large blocks of time with little or no movement, or if your sleep is fragmented and choppy, this could suggest sleep apnea. People with sleep apnea often wake up multiple times during the night, even if they don't remember it, which disrupts their ability to reach deep, restful sleep phases. Physical movements during sleep are also important. If you move around a lot at night, it could be because you're waking up gasping for air or experiencing abnormal limb movements. Fitbit can detect these movements and provide insights into how restless your sleep is. Additionally, Fitbit tracks your respiratory rate by measuring your chest movements while you sleep. If your respiratory rate is irregular or shows periods of paused breathing, this is a strong indicator of sleep apnea. Daytime symptoms can also be a clue. If you're feeling excessively sleepy during the day, experiencing brain fog, or waking up with headaches, these could be related to poor sleep quality caused by sleep apnea. To summarize, on your Fitbit, look for irregular heart rate patterns during sleep, low oxygen saturation levels, fragmented sleep stages, increased physical movements at night, irregular respiratory rate, daytime symptoms like excessive sleepiness and headaches. By monitoring these metrics, you can gain a better understanding of your sleep patterns and identify potential signs of sleep apnea. If you suspect you might have sleep apnea, it's important to consult with your doctor to get a proper diagnosis and treatment plan.